how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to create a dropshipping business model between Shopee and Alibaba together. Now, Alibaba is a great platform to get different source of products. There's all types of products with very cheap prices and you could buy a lot in bulk. And with a dropshipping interaction, you wouldn't really worry about inventory anymore because Alibaba will directly send it to your customers. Of course, that is if you successfully created and integrated those two platforms together and properly. Now, directly connecting Shopee and Alibaba together does not exist if you're talking about directly. But if we use third-party platforms, we are able to successfully connect these two platforms. And in today's video, we will be exploring just that. So the third party that we will be discussing for today's video is called Shopify. Shopify is a great platform for dropshipping, for connecting multiple apps or multiple platforms together and having or building an interaction between all of them. Shopee in itself can be a store, but if you want to have Shopee as your store or Alibaba as your store, we will be using Shopify over here as the middleman. So what do we do in Shopify? What we're going to do first is we're going to establish a connection from Shopify to Shopee and Alibaba to Shopify. So let's do Alibaba first. So let's go to apps and simply search Alibaba. Click on enter. You will see that button and we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Now, as you can see here, there's a total of 21 apps related to Alibaba. So these are the different apps that would allow us to get products from Alibaba. And over here, as you could choose between the different options available, maybe we could choose over here, Dropshipman, easy dropshipping. This one is built for all of these different platforms over here. It's a very big list. You have AliExpress, Temu, there's orders from Amazon, Alibaba, Walmart, Wix, and many, many more. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on install, and we will be able to install the specific application into our Shopify store. Now, let's simply wait for this to pop up, and we could give permission to install. There you go, install. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to get products from Alibaba through this application. Now, we have established a quick method for us to get products from Alibaba. Now, how do we put it into Shopee? What you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. You're going to search in the search bar of Shopify App Store, Shopee. So let's wait for this. Shopee. There we go. While waiting for that, we can check this one out. As you can see, we now have this app over here. So what this will do is we can click on find products. Exit this one. There we go. And you will be able to see over here different products. And for the sourcing, we could select different sources. Over here, you could search over here. There's Shopify orders over here. You have quotes. There's also recommended apps. There's also partnerships over here. The purpose of this is to be able to get our products from our Alibaba. So there's also recommended options over here. So we could also check out the plan, by the way, over here on what you will be able to get. But anyway, let's go and go back to our Shopify App Store over here. For this one, I would recommend that you use this option over here. Easy, Shopee, and Lazada TikTok. So what this app will be able to do is we will be able to add products to Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. So from Alibaba, we could add products coming from our Shopee over here, or Shopify. So when you install this and connected it with your Shopee store, you will be able to have Shopee as your store. So anything that exists inside of Shopify, anything that exists in your product list over here that can be found in your product list, it will automatically put it inside of Shopify. And now what we're just going to worry is how to put products inside of our product list over here. And that will be solved by using our dropship man over here, where you are basically going to find products inside of this. Now, the sources of this are going to be the different sources that we have talked earlier. It's just presented in this way, but the sources for this ones are coming from Alibaba, AliExpress, all of those different platforms. So it's basically going to compile it in something like this so that it's easier to navigate. And through that, you will be able to establish a connection. So let me actually visualize how it would look like on how it would happen, or how, and explain what is happening with that, because I didn't really connect them directly because I don't have my own Alibaba and Shopee account, or Shopee. Yeah, Shopee. Let's explain it and visualize it over here. So we have this is an example over here. Let me remove all of this random things for now. So we have Shopee right here, and we have Shopify. And then for this one, we have Alibaba. So basically what we did was we established that anything that we have in Shopify can be placed inside of Shopee. And then we also set up, or showed you the setup or the apps that you need so that you will be able to get products from sources like Alibaba. So now you can now get any type of product from Alibaba or multiple sources and put it inside of your Shopify store. And the purpose of our Easy Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok feature over here, it will automatically put any product found in Shopify in your product list into your Shopee store. So it's basically being a bridge over here with the interaction between Alibaba and Shopee. So you are able to establish a dropshipping interaction, and you don't really need to worry about managing the inventory, because once someone orders from your Shopee, the information of the customer will be sent to Shopify, which will then be recognized by the store, or like the app that we use. Like, it will recognize the customer name, the address, all of that stuff, and it will send it to Alibaba, and it will automatically deliver to whoever the customer is, or depending on the information that they have given us. So it will have that interaction, which is a dropshipping interaction. There's also another platform here that you guys could check out. We have Dropify, which is very similar to dropshipping. It's specifically for dropshipping, and specifically for Shopee, Lazada, and any related local platforms. As you can see, Facebook, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, Lazada, and Shopee over here. You could use that as well for that specific feature. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.